Practice set 2.6 ninth example. If 460 is divided by natural number, means you have to divide the 460 by the natural number. That time quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Then find the quotient and the divisor. You have to find out the quotient and the divisor. In the lowest standard, you know that what is the meaning of the quotient, what is the meaning of the dividend, divisor and the remainder. So you have to implement all these things in the problem and you have to frame the quadratic equation. Whatever the given conditions, that you have to read, and according to that you have to consider the value of x. Here I will say that 460 is divided by the natural number. The quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Find the quotient and the divisor. Here quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor is given. Means quotient is compared with divisor. So if quotient is compared with the divisor, that time I will consider that the divisor of the given division, given things are x. Divisor, you have to consider the divisor be x. If the divisor is x, from the given condition, the quotient is 6. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. So you have to implement you have to write the quotient like this. You have to, in the form of equation, you have to write quotient is means is equal to 6 plus means more than 6 more than 5 multiplied by means times divisor. You have to implement like this. Quotient is 6 more than 5 times divisor. Then we consider divisor as x. 5 multiplied by divisor you have to implement as x plus 6 is equal to, you have to say that 5 multiplied by x is equal to 5x plus 6. So this will come divisor and this will come quotient. Then quotient is equal to 5x plus 6. Then remainder is given. Remainder is 1. Here in the problem they are saying that remainder is 1. Then if remainder is 1, you have to write the division bracket. Here inside dividend will come. This one is divisor, this one is quotient and this one is remainder. If 460 is divided by a natural number, if you will divide the 460, so you have to say that 460 is the dividend. Then divisor is, we consider the divisor as x. We are getting the quotient is equal to 5x plus 6 and remainder is 1. So in the low standard we have dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So you have to put the value. Dividend 460 you have to write here, divisor x you have to write here, quotient you have to write 5x plus 6, remainder you have to write plus 1. Here you have to use the distributive law, x multiplied by 5x, x multiplied by 6, 460 as it is, x multiplied by 5x plus x multiplied by 6 plus 1. This will come 5x square plus 6x plus 1. So you have to transpose this 460 that side, that become minus 460. 5x square plus 6x plus 1 minus 460, that becomes 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. Then you have to write left side right side left. At that time 5x square plus 6x minus 549 is equal to 0. You have to multiply first term, do the product of the first term and the last term. That time that will come minus 2295x square. Then you have to factorize minus 2295x square such that the sum has to come the middle term, sum has to come the 6x. At that time I will factorize this like this. 2295 is divisible by 3, that time 765 will come. This one is again divisible by 3, that time 255 will come. This one is divisible 5, at that time 51 is given, will come. 51 is the prime number, 51 ones are 51 will come, and the factors become 15. This 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 multiplied by 51. So 51 and 45 are the factors. So I will, for middle term, we want the middle term plus 6x. You have to give the plus sign to the 51. Plus 51 minus 45 is equal to 6x. You have to write 6x as plus 51 minus 45 plus 51 minus 45, like this you have to write. So you have to make the group of the first two terms and the last two terms. You have to write first two terms in the product form, last two terms in the product form. 5x square you will write as 5 multiplied by x multiplied by x. 51x you have to write as 51 multiplied by x. Then 45x you have to write 5 multiplied by 9 multiplied by x, minus this 495 you will write 9 multiplied by 51 is equal to 0. Then here from the first two terms you have to take out x common. At that time 5x plus 51 will remain. Minus 9 you have to take out common from last two terms. At that time if minus will take out common, at that time at this minus become plus. Then this will come 5x minus 51 remain, that you have to write. For this stage you have to, this both the bracket has to come same and that came same, so you have to take out this underline, the double underline bracket common. At that time 5x plus 51 is common. At that time x minus 9 you have to write in the another bracket. Then you have to equate these factors with 0. 5x plus 51 is equal to 0, x minus 9 is equal to 0. Transpose this plus 51 that side, that become minus 51, and this you have to transpose this 5 multiplied by 5 becomes divided by 5. X is equal to minus 51 upon 5, and x is equal to, you have to minus 9, you have to shift that side, minus 9 become plus 9. But minus 51 upon 5 is not the natural number, because here you are saying that 460 is divided by the natural number. So you have to say that this minus 51 upon 5 is not the natural number. So x is not equal to minus 51 upon 5. Therefore x is equal to 9 will come. Therefore divisor is equal to x is equal to 9. Therefore quotient you have to find out. Quotient is equal to, quotient is 5x plus 6. Quotient is equal to 5x plus 6. 5 multiplied by value of x is 9. My plus 6. 45 plus 6 is equal to 51. In this way divisor will come 9 and quotient will come 51. In this way you have to solve this problem. Here I will write one thing, that if 460 is divided by natural number, therefore I will say that this dividend is equal to 460. This one is given. Divisor you will consider as x. Quotient, for the quotient the condition is given. Quotient is equal to 6 more than 5 times the divisor. Divisor value you have to put as x, and this will come 5x plus 6. Quotient is 5x plus 6. Remainder is 1. You have to write the division bracket. You have to write the dividend is equal to divisor plus quotient plus remainder, and you have to put the values and you have to solve the problem like this. I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.